everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys my Walmart haul. Now I have a feeling Ibotta is going to be very slow this month because most of you guys should have gotten for level 1 5 rebates. 5 rebates for 50 cents. So right there you know it's going to be bad. For level 2 I think I had to hit 8 rebates or something like that for $1. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. It's going to be very slow, but it also is going to be a very good deal. So hopefully you guys can get to level 4. I already hit, today is March 5th, and I already hit 1 and 2 in one day. So I'm pretty excited to do that. But I'm here to show you guys some deals that I got. I had coupons. I thought I cut them out, but I apparently didn't put them in there. And so I didn't get to get everything on my list because I didn't have the coupons, but that's okay. It still came out to be a really good deal. I think this is the last and final deal. Usually I notice Ibotta resets. They usually reset like the next day. So if you guys submit your receipt, it resets the next day. And when they do reset, I know it takes, you guys can do it like 5 times. So this is probably like my 5th time getting these cat treats. So these are cups. I'm waiting for my cat Paris. Paris, you want a cup? You want a cup? Come here. Come here. You want a cup? You want a cup? She's like, are you kidding me? You're going to give me a cup? The whole box? Do you want the cup? No? Okay. So, she absolutely loves these. She is begging for these all the time. But these were $4.56. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in our inserts a couple weeks ago? Come here. You guys would end up paying $3.56 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.75 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.81, which I think is a great price for cat food. Like I said, my cat is absolutely obsessed with this. Paris, you want some? You want a cup? Cup? Mmm, smell that. Mmm. She's like, I want some. I want some. You want a cup? Yeah? Yes, you do. Okay. So, sorry. My cat, she's my child too, and I love her. Now, you guys can do the Dan Active, plus you guys can do the Activia. I thought I had 2 of those coupons, but apparently not, and they didn't have it in the coupons.com app, so I couldn't use that. But these were $3.98. You guys want to use that $2.50 off coupon that we got on coupons.com. You guys would just pay. It's thundering outside. This is crazy. It is almost spring. We are in a advisory and it is thundering outside and snowing outside. I don't understand this, but enough with that. Let's go back to this. So these were, you guys would end up paying $1.48 for these, but then you can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 48 cents, which there is 8 of them in here, and I think that's 48 cents for 8 of these is an awesome, awesome deal. How's it going, sweetie?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're good?
I'm going to go upstairs.
Okay. As long as you're good. I got the hefty baggies. These are $1.98. I don't know why, but when I submit my receipt, the Ibotta receipt, it never catches them, but that's fine. You guys want to use $1 off a 2. You guys want to use $1 off a 2 coupon. Plus, we also have $1 off a 2 coupon on coupons.com.
And coupons cut.
So you guys would end up paying $2.96 for the both of those. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 off a 2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for those 2 just $1.46 or just 73 cents, which is a pretty good deal. I am really starting to like using hefty bags, plus they're a little bit better. Wow, look at that. He wants to show you guys he stacked them on top of each other.
Like a piggy is time.
I got these Bic razors, the Comfort 3.
If he's big razors.
I didn't even write down what the price was for these. I think these were $2.82. But I ended up using those $3 off coupons. They scanned just fine. So I got those absolutely for free. I did 2 transactions because I bought some other stuff too. But I ended up also getting these for free. These were $2.97. I used that $3 off coupon. The coupon scanned just fine. So these became a 3-cent moneymaker, and I totally forgot to write what those are. So definitely use those coupons. Those coupons I think expire on Saturday. So definitely use those. I will be going back to Walmart again to get more of these, use more of these coupons up because I love donating that kind of stuff. The next deal I got is the Advil. Now this was $3.98. You guys want to use the $2 off coupon that we got in these yesterday's inserts. You guys would just pay $1.98 for this, but then you can submit a $2 rebate on Saving Star, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. Awesome. There is 20 tablets in here, and I've been using Advil like crazy because I've been having headaches. Now, I ended up getting the Axe dry spray. Now, this isn't the greatest deal, but I wanted to get something different instead of getting the same stuff all the time. So, this was $5.47. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon that we got in yesterday's Red Plum. You guys would pay $3.47 for this, but then you can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just $1.97. Not the greatest deal. I know we can get them cheaper, but I just wanted to get something a little bit different. I'm trying to get more variety of guy stuff. Like, I have tons of girl stuff, but not a lot of guy stuff, and I actually have a lot of guy stuff. I have a lot of guys who ask for things, and we give stuff to people, so it's nice to have some, you know, variety of guy stuff. Girls could use it too if they really wanted to. I love this deal. My husband's like, I want them, I want them, I want them. He loves these Tic Tacs gum. These are $1.14. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon?
That's the green one, that's the white one.
Thank you. Thank you for specifying that. I greatly appreciate that.
I told these are green, that's the white.
Okay, thank you. So you guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon. You guys will end up paying... Okay, I'll do my video. You guys will end up paying 64 cents for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate for this. And you guys can also submit a 50-cent rebate for this. 2 different rebates, making these just 14 cents a piece, which is a great, great deal. And those coupons still don't expire for a while. And then I got the Centrum multi gummies. Now these prices went up recently. Benjamin, can you not grab that? Can you put that back, please? So these were actually $6.76. They used to be $5.98, but they upped them to $6.76. You guys would pay $3.76 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate on Saving Star, making the final price for this just 76 cents. Sorry, my hair is like going weird. My part is going weird. So I guess 76 cents for vitamins is actually a pretty good deal. That was my haul. It was okay. Like, it's not big. I feel like I was just trying to find some deals, but I was going to do that other yogurt deal, and I don't know what happened to the coupon. I don't know if I dropped it. I thought I cut it out and put it in my thing, but there's that. But I don't know. Husband's super excited about the gummies, and I'm really excited for getting free razors. I ended up ordering some of those coupons. So my store only had 2 of these, but they had a ton of the Silky Touch, so I'm going to go back and get more. I might even do another Ibotta haul this week, depending on if I get a couple more items to show you guys. But yeah, that was my haul. I want to thank everybody who watched me during my live video last night, Sunday night. I did pick 3 winners. 2 guys have responded to me, so I will be sending those out. I bought the gift cards for you guys today, so I will be sending those out very shortly. I'm just waiting for the 3rd one, but if I don't hear from the 3rd winner, I will be picking a new one. So yeah, I know, it's crazy. But yeah, a lot of you guys wanted me to talk longer at my live video, and I wanted to. I was just tired. It was just a long day, but I will do more live videos. I kind of want to do one at least once a week, so stay tuned for that. I just want to chit-chat with people. I might just pop up whenever. It's easier for me to do it like in the end of the week, in the middle of the day, because I'm just sitting around usually just crafting, so I could always chat with you guys while I'm crafting. If you guys like that, you know, let me know. But you guys know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know you guys enjoy it, so I can keep continuing doing more Ibotta hauls for you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Most of you guys already have, but if you haven't, you can click that link below. One thing you guys can also do if you guys haven't gotten Fetch Rewards, the app, scan your receipt. You guys will get points for this. I can't remember how many points you get, but if you guys click my referral link, you guys will get 2,000 points, which is equivalent to $2. I use those points to pay for my purchases at CVS, because why not? It's free money. So just letting you guys know on that. But I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Ta-ta for now. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out a closing phrase, but whatever. See you guys. Bye-bye.